Assalamu alaikum. My name is Taha. I'm a chartered accountant working in audit firm here. My question is, I'm planning to get married inshallah in a few months. So my to-be wife, she wants to do a job when after marriage, so she can help in earning the bread. So how is it from an Islamic point of view, knowing that it's my responsibility to earn the bread for the household, and it would put undue burden on her in addition to her house responsibilities within the house? So should I encourage and facilitate her, and what's the point of view on that?
Jazakumullah khair. My brother, if the job is Sharia compliant and she is not compromising her religion where she is working in terms of the rules and regulations of how a female should work, then it is not prohibited for her to work. She may work. And whether she works or not is something that should be mutually agreed upon. So if you agree and you don't mind and she doesn't mind, and then she works within an environment that is okay for a female to work in, then alhamdulillah, there is no harm. She may do that. In fact, sometimes I know of some housewives who've come to countries of this nature who get very, very bored, and then they think up of, maybe kindergarten, maybe teaching, maybe something else in a good environment, in order also to be serving humanity, and at the same time to protect themselves from boredom and perhaps to earn something. And as you know, life is extremely expensive. I know of some of the Western countries where every member of the family has to work, otherwise they won't survive. And so the question now is, where exactly she works? That's something inshallah you guys need to look into, and you need to make sure that it's not a place where you're going to lose your marriage. Because sometimes if there's just one woman working in amongst all the men and so on, it could be. We've known of many cases where people have sometimes lost their marriages because small thing goes wrong in the home, and who's there to confide in besides other males? May Allah bless us all, protect us. Like I've said, it's not wrong for a female to work at all, but it's something mutually agreed upon inshallah, and the environment should be correct. Wallahu a'lam.
Thank you.